Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I will be showing you how to pin comment on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Now, tap on the profile icon, located at the bottom right corner of your screen. You can see the posts you have uploaded. Choose the post that has the comment. Once you open the post, you will see View Comment, tap on it. Now, long press on the comment you want to pin. Then you will see the pin option at the top of your screen. Click on the pin option. And, you will successfully pin comment on your post. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to pin comments on Instagram. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.